Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about, is it okay to texture drywall without priming? Now personally, I think one of the best times to texture drywall is before you prime. That way your mud has a chance to actually stick to the paper that it's designed to. For this job of texturing, we're actually going to need some trials and drywall mud. So to start the texturing process, we're going to take some drywall mud, get it on our trowel, just put it right on top of the drywall. Depending on what type of texture you want on it, whether it be a broom finish or a tile finish, or even more of a stucco look. So it just depends on how much mud you want on there. If you want something that looks more like a stucco, you're actually going to go pretty thick. A lot of times we use this on really bad drywall or plaster and lath walls. If you don't want your texture to be really big like that, you can take a smaller trowel and just kind of wipe through it like this. A lot of times people will do this on their ceilings and stuff, so that way you can't really tell where your joints are in your drywall. Now you want to be careful if you're texturing over a really glossy paint. A lot of times that glossy paint won't allow your mud to stick to it, so you might want to take some sandpaper and rough it up a little bit. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project.